British Columbia held a provincial inquiry on missing and murdered Indigenous women, primarily from the downtown east side. This was a police inquiry. The inquiry demonstrated the extent to which women that are on the bottom of the stratification, such as Indigenous women, such as those women that do sex work, particularly street-based sex work, that they are not receiving the same level of care and attention from the state, including the ways in which police investigate or don't investigate their disappearances and their deaths. Right now we have a situation in British Columbia which has some similarities. It's bearing some resemblance to this high-profile and very prolific serial killer that we had moving within Vancouver downtown east side during the 90s and early 2000s. However, the RCMP in Maple Ridge opted not to further the investigation or lay charges. So there's been a rallying of women's groups led by many women from the Quebec Nation, so out of Salmon Arm and Vernon area. And there's many of us here within Metro Vancouver that are going to attend the trial for the duration. It's our intention to do whatever we can to see that this man is held to account for his alleged victimization of this woman. But it's also to ensure that the system is investigating and seeing a measure of justice. What we know is that if advocates had not come out and raised awareness of the fact that this woman had been assaulted and that the police did not investigate entirely, we would not have seen these charges. And this should not be the case, actually. We should have RCMP specifically and municipal police as well doing their job with respect to investigating the assaults and the disappearances of women, regardless of whether they are involved in sex work.